Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel, and if you're new here, thanks for coming. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. So I've sized out my nails and gave them a buff and a base coat, of course. And I'm just going to apply a layer of white to each of the nails. And today I'm going to do a marble effect, which I haven't really done, and it looks really easy. So we're going to give that a go. And basically all you do is pick the colors you want to use. Today I am going to actually use yellows because I haven't used any yellows yet in any of my sets. So I'm going with yellow and gold. So we have our whites all cured, and all we're going to do is, after we've picked out the colors that we want to use, we're just going to make lines on a palette of all the different colors. Now I've chosen a light a light yellow, a darker yellow, a white, of course, and some gold. So as you can see, I'm just drawing a line, and you want it to be, a good amount on there so you could pick it up with your brush. So after that's all done the way you want it, you're just going to take your brush and drag it through the paint or the polish and drop it down on your nail. Oops, I forgot. So let's start again. What you want to do is put a layer of blooming gel, and this is Beetle's blooming gel. So you put a layer of blooming gel down first, and then you want to pick up your polish and run it across the nail in random patterns, just like so. And just hold back and look at it from afar, and if you like it, leave it as is, and if you don't like it, you wipe it off, put another layer of blooming gel on, and do it again. Just remember, you need a little bit of time for the blooming gel to work. It's not like instantaneous. But yeah, so you can do that for each nail. And if you get too much paint on your brush, just wipe it off and kind of start with a fresh brush. If the polish is blending too much into each other, because you do want it to look like marble, and to have that effect where it's showing the different colors. Yeah, not bad. It's looking good. Alright, I'm just going to continue on here, and we'll see what it looks like at the end. So just what you see me doing here is I'm just taking a lint-free wipe and wiping down the edges, just where we're using, a bit more polish than normal, and it can kind of pool on the edges if you don't wipe it. So Yeah, you just want to clean it up a bit. We don't want to see any drips. And here we are going to do the next hand. So same thing, we're going to line up our different polish colors and make sure you put a layer of blooming gel on your nail first. And then we're going to take our ombre brush and scoop up some of the paint or the polish and run it across our nails. here we go. That took like no time at all. Really easy. Beginner friendly. You can't really mess up. I'm just going to leave it at there for now. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.